Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio, doing a flip through of my new Winter Bounty series that was recently uploaded to my Etsy shop. It consists of 4 kits. So there's kit 1, the journal pages, and it's 37 pages. Then there's kit 2, the coordinating pages. Isn't that beautiful? And it's 38 pages, and this is one of the pages in it. I just love it. Then there's kit 3, which is pattern pages, and there's 34 pages in that kit. And as you can see, these can be used for any blue projects that you have. It doesn't have to be necessarily just for the Winter Bounty kit, and you'll find a lot of the kit is that way. And then we have kit 4, which is the ephemera, fussy cuts, labels, tickets, and a whole bunch of bits and bobs and really cool embellishments. And that is 45 pages. So 4 kit series. So we now have a summer's bounty, a fall bounty, a winter bounty, and a spring bounty. So we have all the seasons covered. You can find all of the flip throughs for all of the digitals that I've just mentioned in the description box below. Kit number 2, the coordinating pages, consists of 38 pages. So we just have here like a frosty, crystally kind of blue color. And then of course, all of the blues that you see in here blend seamlessly with all of the blues in all the other kits. So really beautiful. And we have this really cool crystal snowy kind of effect. There we have it in the lighter blue. And then we have it in the neutral color with the blue. Really beautiful for using for backing your ephemera. Then we have the snowflakes with some script in the background. This is the background that's in behind the deers page in journal page kit number 1. And there we have it there with no script. So perfect for projects where you want to make where there's a non-directional pattern. Here the snowflakes are in the tiny version. And then we move on to this beautiful landscape forest. So pretty. Really, really pretty. And then we have this collage page. This here is in the ephemera kit number 4, so you can make a belly band with it or a tuck spot or what have you. Then we have this owl page. Same botanicals that you find throughout the kit. I really love this page so much. It's beautiful. Then we have some music. I provide a lot of pages in this kit that you can use for collaging and as background pages. So that's really cool. You don't really need anything else to design a junk journal or a project that has pages to sort of break it up a little bit and keep it really interesting, because I provide a lot of those. So we have the music here. There it is there, but with the botanicals in the background. Here we have some spruce tree and some pine cones. 1900, January 1900 delineator. It's a page out of a catalog. We have a beautiful piece of ephemera here. So you can see there's lots of neutrals for creating your ephemera with. And we have this really cool swirl. I really like this one. It's one of my favorites as well. Some more script ephemera. Here we have an 1890s calendar and then a page out of a catalog. And we have a neutral here with a recipe. So as you can see, like I said, there's lots of pages that just keep it really interesting. So we have that page. And then this is the background to a grouping of 3 pages in the journal pages. So here it is with no writing papers and it's not faded out. And that's the same with this really beautiful swirly page. Really love these ones. And then we have 3 options for ticking. We have the darkest color, the medium, and the light. All three of those blues are represented throughout the whole series. I really love this page as well. It's super pretty. And then there's the dark blue. Look how pretty that looks together. So there's the dark blue in the kit. This is the medium blue in the kit with some script on it. There it is there without the script. And the light, so there's three colors. The dark I just showed you, the medium, and then the light page is in kit number 1 with the journaling pages. Here's the same recipe, but with the blue background. And then this is used on a couple of my pages as well. It's dictionary in a really beautiful dark blue, perfect for creating backgrounds for your ephemera. And here's some script in blue. Some more. Beautiful piece of ephemera ledger. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And then there's another one with a couple of stamps. Really love this one as well. And then we have some music in the dark blue and then music in the light blue. And that is kit number 2. The coordinating pages. 38 pages can be found in my Etsy shop. The link is down below, as well as the links for the other kits. And don't forget to subscribe to the Junk Journal Studios design team for lots of inspiration using the studio's digitals, and their links can be found below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.